It's super early today, so I've got my coffee with me, so I might say something outrageous in this video. Forgive me if so. Today we're reacting to best funny animal videos of 2022. And I think CJ is giving me this video to react to because I can't seem to name my animals. So let's give it a go, guys. Let me know in the comments how many animals I guessed correctly today, okay? Here we go.
Excuse me. Oh no.
Oh no, I dropped my burrito. Oh no. I can't remember. What's the TikTok where they're like, oh no.
Yeah?
Cat.
Oh my god.
Cat fell. Seagulls. Dog. Oh, I don't like that. Rhymes with your mum. Got you. Cockatiel. That's a tree. Oh, squirrel! Out of the tree.
Okay, if that's what you want.
Why do cats hate water? It's not that bad, right? It's not gonna hurt you. Goats. Oh!
There we go.
That's a voiceover. Why did that man scream like that? That was like the Wilhelm scream. Here's another cockatiel. Oh, it's died by the little gun. Bro, get your headphones, man. No, no, it's not ice. Silly dog. Bro, imagine you're just at the water and you just hear goat. Or a lamb. Is that a baby goat? Lamb. That's mean. That was meant to do that. That was mean.
Hey, kitty.
Leopard. Oh my gosh. That's the worst, bro. That's the worst place to jump. Jump left, really, or no, jump right because the car coming. Jump right, man, but don't jump straight ahead. They must have killed that.
Yeah, throw that over here. Yeah, I eat tofu too. Throw that over here. Watch out, boo boo. Yeah.
He caught it. Wow. What am I looking at? There's a joke to make there, isn't there? There's a joke to make there. Pardon what? But I'm just gonna sip my coffee. I'm not gonna make the joke. I'm not gonna make it. That parrot is barking. Must have learnt it from the dog. Oh no, I don't like this. Don't like big dogs and babies. Oh! Dog, man.
I just said no.
Yeah, you can't speak English, bro. No! Okay.
What are those? They're called my sandals.
Well, boys. I
Oh.
her a little.
Dog, cat. Cat. Cat.
Aw, look at them bonding.
Angry cat. Oh my gosh. I wanna be with Cardi in my cardigan. Whoa, what is that? Seal? Yeah, it's a seal.
In nomine Patris et Filii et Spiritus Sancti. Bitches come and go. But you.
What did you expect?
Oh my god.
They are cute. Ooh. Why has it got human teeth?
Excuse me, sir.
Sorry?
Are you my Uber?
Bark. Say yes, bark.
Hey! Oh, you scared me! Jesus! Oh.
This
I feel like that's what deers would sound like.
Teasing a seagull with a fish.
Wow. That's... Dolphin's playing with its food, man.
Stop! Milo! No.
Oh, Milo.
Milo!
I know Milo. No.
Oh, that's not too
That's funny. Aw.
This
Echo.
is hilarious.
Oh. Dog got stuck.
Anyways, we're getting ready for your photo shoot today. Do you know you're ready? All right. We get a smile. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Cheese.
Stupid dog, man. Which one is the triangular?
Yes.
Oh my god.
Carly dropped a feather. What color? Good job.
Yeah, but you might have taught him to say red. I want to see you put the yellow there. I want to see it say yellow.
Get off. She got
no.
it right.
Yeah, yeah. No. Oh. She stole the egg.
Come on.
Stole the egg.
Jesus, not you.
Oh, I couldn't do a big dog, man. Couldn't do it. I couldn't have a big dog, man. Well done. It don't like the smell. Yeah, such a right for interrupting my personal space. Jet tripping. Bum 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 bada bum bada bum 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 bum. That wasn't that much of a fail. He should have gone through the triangle above it though.
Hey. Get the fuck out of here.
I've seen this before, haven't I? A dog or is it a broom? Oh, it's a dirty dirt. It's clean the dog, man. I've heard that cats do this quite a lot. Can you guys attest to this? I feel like cats just do stupid stuff a lot.
I'm asking you a question. Are you serious, really?
Oh, that's so adorable. That is so adorable. Like Yoda, isn't it? Or Grogu. If you don't know what Grogu is, learn it, because I know it.
Oh, boo-hoo. Let me play a sad song for you on the world's smallest
That's so
violin.
scary. That is so scary, man. Oh. Wow. That bird's... What? Why do they have so many cameras? I guess it's security, right? That's... What are they doing? What are they doing?
Just bark. It's not a bark. What's wrong with you?
Oh,
You're a
so
dog.
cute, man. That's like Simba, isn't it, when he's a baby trying to bark? You're trying to roar. What? Bro, just do it, man. Cone of shame. It's gonna take a bit of time to get used to that, isn't it? It's gonna take some time, guys. It's gonna take some time.
I'm just gonna
No. 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 Oh, it's just gross. It's just gross. The cat's having a good time with that tail, and the dog's unaware. Or maybe he's aware. Maybe he's aware about that.
Your turn.
Aw.
Go.
That's so adorable.
Look at this distinguished gentleman. Look at the way he is sitting. Yes, very distinguished. I see, I see.
That's not a dog. Or a cat. That's like a liger. There we go, guys. That was today's video reacting to random animals. Best animal moments of 2022 so far, but the year's not done yet, so maybe we're going to see some more of these. But anyway, leave a like if you enjoyed it. Let me know what you want to see more of in the comments down below, and have a great day. See you soon. Peace.